In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a license from an old employee to a new employee in Salesforce. This process is incredibly useful for businesses looking to efficiently manage their Salesforce licenses when an employee leaves the company. Let's dive into each step to make sure you have a smooth experience transferring licenses. First, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account. If you don't have administrator privileges, you may need to contact someone who does, since making these changes will require full access. Once you're successfully logged in, move your attention to the top right corner of the dashboard. Here, you will see a gear icon. Clicking on it will bring up the Setup menu. From there, you'll need to click on Advanced Setup. The Advanced Setup menu is essentially your control center for managing users and licenses, so it's a place you'll likely come back to often if you're handling multiple users. Next, head over to the Quick Find box at the top left and type in Users. This convenient search feature saves time and guides you directly to the Users section without scrolling through endless options. Once you're in the Users section, you'll see a list of all current users. Locate the name of the employee you wish to replace. Just beside their name, there is a drop-down arrow. Click this to reveal more options, and then select Edit to modify their details. What you want to do now is to deactivate the old employee's account. To do this, look for the checkbox labeled Active next to the employee's details. Simply uncheck this box to deactivate them. Doing so will free up their Salesforce license, making it available for another user. After you uncheck the box, don't forget to hit the Save button to ensure the changes are applied. Now we are ready to set up a new employee with the license that is now available. Head back to the Users section and click on Create a New User. Here, you'll go through the process of setting up an account for the new employee, assigning the same license type that was just freed up. You will be required to fill in some essential details about the new user. Enter the new employee's email address and make sure to select their profile type according to what they will need for their role. The final step is straightforward. Simply click on Send Invitation. This will send an email to the new employee, inviting them to join the Salesforce platform under their new credentials. Once they accept this invitation, they are good to go. And there you have it, a complete guide to transferring a Salesforce license from an old employee to a new one. I hope you found this helpful and that it makes managing your Salesforce licenses a hassle-free task moving forward. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any more questions about Salesforce management.